Indian markets have been going through a mild phase of correction. We may call it a bit of a consolidation after a solid rally over the last few weeks. We believe that this is good for the health of the market, and consolidation at these levels near all-time high is good for the market in the long run. We have been continuously seeing buying coming in at lower levels, and we expect that this trend should continue in the near future as well. Global markets have been witnessing also positive undercurrents, and we have been seeing US market cues have been positive consistently. While there is some nervousness around US Fed's possibility of hiking interest rates in the forthcoming policy meet next week, particularly after Australian and Canadian central banks raised interest rates during the earlier this week. However, to a great extent, even now, I think 70% of the market participants believe that US Fed will opt for a pause rather than going ahead and hiking rates at this policy meet next week. Under these circumstances, market continues to remain optimistic and the mood continues to be risk on. Domestic market also has been witnessing positive momentum. In spite of the correction and consolidation we are seeing now, the mood generally has been positive. Corporate results for the last quarter have been extremely positive, and they have been, in most cases, better than expectations. Couple of things the market will be watching very, very carefully. One, the monsoon, the arrival, progress, and spread of the same. I think this is extremely critical for the next 3 to 6 months. We also will be carefully watching the revival of rural demand. That's supposedly on the cards, and initial signs of that are visible. Under the circumstances, we continue to retain our positive bias on the markets and believe that investors would do good to continue mopping up and accumulating infrastructure as well as construction companies with clean balance sheet and track record. They should also look at FMCG and rural India focused companies where we believe positive momentum is bound to arrive and sustain for the near future. There are enough and more efforts by the government to ensure rural prosperity, particularly in a year where the general election is forthcoming. Thus, we will continue with our positive recommendation on accumulating Larsen Toubro. Also, HUL and Dabur can be looked at. We believe that BFSI continues to remain an attractive pocket. However, we need to carefully pick stocks in BFSI. We like mid-cap bank, Federal Bank. In spite of the corrections we have seen in the recent past, we believe that bank has a potential to reward investors. We also like top-tier banks like HDFC Bank at current valuations. Investors should carefully pick stocks and continue building their portfolio for the future. Thank you.